Welcome back, Royal Family. Hello, Royal Family. How is everyone doing? All right, you guys. I just wanted you guys to know that I haven't forgot about you. I'm going to do this really quick video, but the next time I come back, we're going to have a new look, a new intro, and hopefully a new sound. Okay, but my peaches are just boiling away. What I'm going to do today is peach cobbler croissants. You know, kids are getting ready to go back to school. Instead of buying donuts, you can make croissants and just fill them with your favorite fruit. I just decided to do peaches because I had some left. So in here, I don't have the exact measurements, but I will in the description box. I use a can of peaches. I cut them into small dices. Not dices, they're not dice, but into small pieces. I have sugar, I have cinnamon, a little nutmeg, a little allspice, and butter, and a little salt. Also, sugar and a squeeze of lime juice. So we're just going to let this simmer down until it becomes like jelly. So I'm assuming that's going to take about 15 minutes. Then we're going to get out the croissants, let this mixture cool, put the filling in the croissants, and bake them at 350. All right, you guys, hang tight. But I didn't want you guys, I'm saying guys a lot too, I didn't want you all to think I forgot about you. Miss O is just trying to come back, you know, with a new vibe, you know. Understand what I'm saying? All right, see you guys in a minute. Okay, this is how the peaches should look. You see all of the juice is really, what is the word I'm looking for? All of the juice has thickened. So it's like it's a preserve, all right? So you definitely want it to look like that. You don't want a lot of juice in it because it will make your croissants soggy. We have to let this cool in order to fill the croissants. So next what I want you to do is get a 9x13 Pyrex, or I say a 9x13, and butter it, okay? I want you to put butter in it because what we're going to do, we're going to take each croissant, lay it out, and then put it on the bottom. So we want that buttery crust on the bottom of the croissants. All right, once the peach is cool, we'll come back and we'll stuff these babies. And I'll show you the can of croissants that I got. All right, the filling has cooled, so we're going to use 1 8-ounce of Crescent butter flake rolls. So again, this is 8 ounce of Crescent, Pillsbury Crescent butter flake rolls. Let me open them up, then we'll stuff them. Let's try this again. That lightening over there was horrible. I refuse to come back and do videos worser than I did when I started. All right, this is the croissant. You want to stretch the top part out, okay? And we're going to take, I'm going to say, a half of teaspoon of filling. Now the filling is cool, okay? We're just going to put it in the middle of this. Not quite the middle, closer to the top. Can you see that? And we're going to take it, we're going to stretch it. Then you're going to tuck it under. like this to make sure your filling is secure. And you're just going to roll it. Now I'll show you how to deal with that little peach there hanging out. And you roll it, okay? You secure that. You take this flap right here and you're going to tuck it under like that. And you're going to do the same with the other. That way, it will keep your peaches intact and they will bake up nicely. There's a little coming out. But we're going to put this in a 375-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes or until they're lightly brown. So when I come back, you guys will see the finished presentation and product of the peach cobbler croissants. Final presentation of the peach cobbler croissants. Enjoy.